1968 Firebird apart from its competitors. If you've ever been fascinated by muscle cars, then you've probably wondered what makes one car outshine the rest. The 1968 Pontiac Firebird didn't just compete in the muscle car arena, it dominated it. But what was it that truly set it apart? Was it the bold styling, the roaring engines, or the precision handling that earned its place in automotive history? Keep watching, because this car's story is more captivating than you might expect. Well, first off, let's take a moment to appreciate the era when muscle cars roared into the spotlight and set the roads ablaze. The 1968 Pontiac Firebird wasn't just another contender in the pony car market, it was Pontiac's bold statement to the world. Born from a desire to combine speed, style, and innovation, this Firebird carved a unique path, standing toe-to-toe with the likes of the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. Initially, Pontiac had a daring plan to launch a sleek, two-seat sports car inspired by its radical Banshee concept. However, General Motors had other ideas, fearing it might steal the Corvette's thunder. Instead, Pontiac was tasked with creating a pony car based on GM's F-body platform, shared with the Camaro. The result? A masterpiece of engineering and design that held its own while offering a distinct personality that enthusiasts couldn't resist. The 1968 Firebird brought some exciting updates compared to the previous year. Its Coke bottle silhouette, a design cue it shared with its cousin, the Camaro, became even more streamlined. Pontiac's designers seamlessly integrated the front bumpers into the body, creating a sleeker appearance that set it apart. The rear slit taillights, reminiscent of Pontiac's earlier Grand Prix and GTO models, added a touch of nostalgia. Pontiac also replaced the vent windows with a single-pane design, introducing the Astro ventilation system for improved airflow, a cutting-edge feature at the time. Under the hood, the 1968 Pontiac Firebird was nothing short of revolutionary, offering an impressive array of engine options that catered to a diverse range of drivers. At the heart of the lineup were Pontiac's innovative overhead cam OHC inline-6 engines, which were truly groundbreaking for their time. These engines, often associated with European sports cars, brought advanced engineering to American shores. The base 230 CID inline-6, producing a respectable 175 horsepower with its single-barrel carburetor, was designed for efficiency and affordability. But the Sprint package was where things got interesting. It elevated the OHC engine to a high-performance tier. Equipped with a 250 CID inline-6, a 4-barrel carburetor, and a high-lift camshaft, it produced an impressive 215 horsepower. Now, what made the Sprint package so special compared to traditional V8s? The answer lies in its European-inspired refinement, combining smooth power delivery with sporty handling. This was a bold move by Pontiac, catering to drivers who wanted performance without the weight and bulk of a V8 engine. It was an intriguing alternative that made the Firebird stand out in a crowded muscle car market. For those who craved raw, unbridled power, the Firebird's V8 lineup was a true showstopper. Starting with a 326 CID V8, which delivered 250 horsepower, this engine provided a solid balance of power and reliability. Moving up the ladder, the Firebird 350 brought even more excitement. The standard 2-barrel version produced 265 horsepower, while the optional 4-barrel configuration added a punchier feel, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. The spotlight, however, shone brightest on the Firebird 400. With 330 horsepower under its hood, this 4-barrel equipped engine turned the Firebird into a serious contender in the muscle car arena. But Pontiac didn't stop there. The Ram Air version of the 400 took things to the next level. Functional hood scoops, a high-lift camshaft, and freer breathing exhaust manifolds helped it achieve a factory rating of 335 horsepower, though rumors abounded that its true output was much higher. But here's a question to consider. Why would Pontiac downplay the Ram Air's horsepower? Many believe this was a strategic move to sidestep insurance penalties and avoid competition with other GM models like the Corvette. Whatever the case, the Ram Air engines became legends, with their distinctive sound and exhilarating performance capturing the hearts of enthusiasts. And then there was the Ram Air 2, a mid-year addition that was as rare as it was powerful. With upgrades like forged pistons, round port cylinder heads, and other performance enhancements, it was estimated to produce between 340 and 366 horsepower. This short-lived engine became a prized possession for collectors, embodying the Firebird's relentless pursuit of speed and innovation. Pontiac also offered versatile transmission options to complement the Firebird's robust engine lineup. Drivers could opt for a 3-speed or 4-speed manual transmission, the latter with performance gearing tailored for the high-powered Ram Air models. Automatic enthusiasts weren't left out, with the choice of GM's reliable 2-speed Power Glide or the advanced 3-speed Turbo Hydromatic 400, which offered smooth shifts and excellent durability. What truly sets the Firebird apart wasn't just its powerful engines, it was the sheer variety and innovation. Whether you wanted a sophisticated inline-six or a fire-breathing V8, the Firebird had something for everyone. From the track-ready Ram Air models to the high-revving Sprint package, Pontiac created a car that catered to both speed junkies and discerning drivers looking for refinement. But what truly set the 1968 Pontiac Firebird apart from its competitors? For starters, the Firebird's handling was nothing short of exceptional. While some cars struggled to balance performance with ride comfort, the Firebird nailed it. Its heavy-duty suspension made mountain roads and tight corners a breeze, offering the precision of a seasoned racer. It felt like a car built for enthusiasts, precise, responsive, and confident. But here's an interesting twist. Pontiac engineers managed to soften the ride compared to the stiffer 1967 models, making it suitable for both adrenaline-seeking drivers and those who wanted a more comfortable cruise. Steering was another area where Pontiac showed its genius. Whether you opted for the manual or power-assisted steering, the response was sharp and controlled, avoiding the oversteer issues often found in other muscle cars. But how did Pontiac ensure such seamless control during high-speed maneuvers? The answer lies in its perfectly calibrated steering assist, which made even quick turns feel intuitive and effortless. Braking was another defining feature. While competitors often struggled with brake fade during repeated stops, the Firebird's available front disc brakes kept it ahead of the game. The straight-line stopping performance, even under the stress of a heavy V8 engine, showcased the Firebird's reliability. Isn't that the kind of confidence you'd want behind the wheel? Inside, the Firebird didn't just match its rivals, it surpassed them. The seats, though shared with the Camaro, were more comfortable and offered better adjustability, catering even to taller drivers. Pontiac then introduced a space-saving spare tire, freeing up trunk space, a rare and thoughtful addition for a performance car. The interior also featured a larger, cushioned instrument panel, adjustable air vents, and soft armrests. Details like lower door panel carpeting and push-button seatbelt buckles added a touch of sophistication, while optional extras like a four-way power driver's seat and polyglass tires ensured the Firebird catered to a wide range of buyers. And let's not forget the striking hood-mounted tachometer, a feature that screamed performance while offering practicality. Combine all this with Pontiac's attention to detail, and it's clear why the 1968 Firebird wasn't just another muscle car. It was a bold statement of style, innovation, and superior engineering. Now, when it came to pricing, the 1968 Firebird struck a delicate balance. The base convertible model started at $2,996, while the hardtop coupe came in slightly lower at $2,781. Engine upgrades and additional features could push the price higher, but the Firebird remained competitive with its rivals. Today, however, owning a piece of this iconic history comes with a heftier price tag. At auctions, a well-maintained 1968 Firebird can fetch anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000, depending on the model and rarity. Special editions, or those equipped with the Ram Air engine, can go for even more, reflecting the car's enduring appeal. Speaking of rarity, it's worth noting that Pontiac built a solid number of Firebirds in 1968. Over 107,000 units were produced that year, with hardtops significantly outselling convertibles. While the Mustang and Camaro had higher production numbers, the Firebird's slightly smaller market share didn't stop it from making a lasting impact. Now, let's talk about how the Firebird fared in the competitive pony car arena. By 1968, the Mustang was still leading the charge, but competitors like the Firebird, Camaro, and Mercury Cougar were hot on its heels. What set the Firebird apart was its balance of performance and refinement. Unlike some of its rivals, the Firebird offered a more premium feel without sacrificing the aggressive edge that muscle car enthusiasts craved. Over time, the Firebird solidified its legacy, becoming one of the last standing pony cars alongside the Mustang and Camaro. However, changing consumer preferences in the 1970s and beyond led to declining sales. By 2002, both the Firebird and Camaro bid farewell, with the Camaro eventually returning in 2009. Sadly, Pontiac's closure in 2010 meant the Firebird would never see a revival, making the 1968 model all the more cherished among collectors and fans. What made it special? Everything. From its groundbreaking overhead cam engines to its bold design and exhilarating performance, this car earned its place as an icon in the world of American muscle. Its legacy continues to resonate, reminding us of a time when muscle cars ruled the roads and the Firebird soared above the rest. So, what do you think truly set the 1968 Firebird apart? Was it the unique engine options, the sleek Coke bottle silhouette, or its ability to balance luxury with raw power? Do you have a favorite memory, story, or dream about this timeless classic? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more.